Hi guys, and welcome to Dave's Supercars. As you can see, my car is under its cover where it normally is when I'm not driving it. However, it's under the cover today because I'm embarrassed. My car is broken. So I'm going to show you exactly what's wrong. So I've pulled the cover off. Spot on thing. Yeah, this is missing. I saw it was loose shortly after I bought it, and I kept kind of going, it's okay, I'll get it fixed eventually. Put on the long finger, and the last time I drove the car, I came back and it was missing. So this is the carbon fibre, part of the Hamann kit. We have the top air scoop here, but this one is missing. Now I thought that these were basically attached via a bolt or something. I mean, I'm old school, so I always think these things are attached by nuts and bolts. That way you can't lose them. I assume the side skirt is attached with bolts. I certainly hope so, and not glued on. So this is the glue, some sort of adhesive that they used. Obviously not great. I don't know how long it's been on the car, and with this summer heat in Dubai up to 50 degrees, I'm not surprised that the adhesive kind of goes after a while. But let me show you first of all what it's meant to look like. So let's go around to the far side, the passenger side. If I can get in here. Tight. So, can you see that there? Yeah. So, that is what it's meant to look like. This one, luckily, is quite sturdy. So that is the plan. It's a little bit of carbon fibre, and the trouble is I went to actually Hamann in Germany to see if I could get a replacement part, and they told me that they don't manufacture that part anymore. So that sucked. What were my choices? I thought actually I would have to take off all the side scoops on both sides, maybe leave the side skirts, maybe even take them off to just remove the whole carbon fibre kit, because you can't go around with one piece missing. So I didn't really want to do that. However, I did find out that you can get custom-made carbon fibre. So I did a bit of research, and I found a company here in Dubai who said they can make the part. So happy days. So the plan of action. Oh, also, when I was doing a little walk around looking at the carbon fibre, I did notice that I have kind of a small crack in the side skirt on the far side. I'll see if I can get a picture of that. It's quite hard when it's inside. It's quite small, but they said they can fix that as well. So the plan is this week, ARM, who I usually go to for maintenance and stuff, they're going to take the car, pick it up on a truck, and they will take off the other side air scoop, so that this company who's doing the carbon fibre can copy it for this side. So they'll take off the other side. They will take off the side skirt on the far side as well, so that they can get it repaired. I'll then bring those two items over to the carbon fibre place. We'll get the piece made, we'll fix the side skirt, then I'll bring the parts back to ARM, who will install it back on the car. So that's the plan. The company that do the carbon fibre, they do automotive parts, but they don't really do installations. So they said they wouldn't be totally happy or confident of putting the parts back on the car. So fair play to them for admitting that. It just means that it's a bit more hassle and, of course, more money. People aren't going to install these things for free. So what to do? But it has to be done. You can't drive a car like that. It's just embarrassing. Yeah, but what can I do? It is what it is. It's not too bad. It could be a lot worse. I mean, as it's not properly broken. It's just missing a little bit. So happy days, happy days. So that's the plan for this week, and when I post my next video, hopefully it'll be fixed. Until then, guys, take care, and we'll catch you all on the flip side. Ciao.